I actually thought it was you.
I'm not playing the piano right now.
We need different names.
What? I spelled it right. Shishlat. I spelled it right. I hate everyone.
Wait, you left?
Yeah, let's just say I left.
Wait, what?
Let's just say I left. Okay, speaking of leaving, I have been streaming for an hour, and my mom's gonna yell at me.
Wait, what's going on?
My mom's gonna yell at me because I'm streaming for more than 1 hour.
Oh, are you leaving?
Yes, unfortunately.
Oh, okay.
I'll see you all later.
I'll play you a
All right.
tune.
Play her out. Hey! You've got to be playing the piano. Are you actually?
I'm not playing it. It's fake. It's a soundboard, dude.
Wait, all of that's soundboarded? What the fuck?
All of that's a soundboard, even the fucking mistakes.
I was gonna say like that